in Dallas, where Lake Fusion Technologies GmbH's CTO, Dr. Thomas Monstera, sat down with Eliops and Antares magazines to share how their LiDAR-based obstacle awareness system is redefining helicopter safety. And yes, Luminar's LiDAR is at the heart of it all. Welcome back to the show called One Step. Let's talk about the journey. I'm your host, Joel Bennett. Today, we're talking about something that sounds like science fiction, but is very much real. Taking advanced LiDAR technology from the automotive industry and putting it into the skies to make helicopter safer than ever. Let's start with the backstory. Lake Fusion Technologies, or LFT for short, is a German company known for cutting-edge aviation safety. They've been working on something that every pilot dreams of: technology that helps detect hazards in real time, even in the toughest flying conditions. To make this happen, they've partnered with Luminar Technologies, the same company pushing the boundaries of autonomous driving with long-range, high-precision LiDAR sensors. And here's the fascinating part. Advances made for self-driving cars, lighter sensors, longer range, better resolution are now enabling applications that work in the airborne environment. It's a case study in how innovation in one sector can revolutionize another. Helicopter operations are risky, even for the most experienced pilots. From road to sky, how Luminar Lidar is transforming helicopter safety. Now, this story comes straight from Verticon